Hi, my YouTube family. This is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today, we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, today we're going to do review of the Gits Paneer Masala. Now you see this is ready to serve meals, and this is just curry, which is paneer masala. It has supposedly have some green peas and some paneer in a spicy mix. So here's how it looks like, and here's the pouch which I'm supposed to cut it and put it. So I have two packages, and this is what came from one package. So which you see not very much. Like, let's see what's the content in it. So I would say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 small pieces of paneer in a masala. Now it says that well, it doesn't have green peas though, but it has some cilantro leaves on top, which I can see. So it doesn't have any green peas. So I would say that this one package will not do for one person. It's very little, unless you're eating with a little bit piece of bread, that you need to open two packages. Also, you might be able to add some peas to it and some potatoes, and cook the peas and potatoes ahead of time, and then just mix this. That will give a little volume. Other than that, you need to open two packages to have a meal. Now taste wise, it tastes good. I don't need to add anything to it, but if you want a spicy, more spicier taste, you can add a little bit more spice, but usually which is not needed for most people. So as I can see that if you open one packages, you can eat couple of pieces of toasted bread with it. But if you want a little more volume, then you need to open two packages, and the content inside is just about 6 or 7 small paneer cubes and gravy. So, and the price wasn't too much either. I believe it was $2.99. So yeah, but the good thing is you can take it anywhere. It doesn't need to be frozen until you open it, and you can take it in Airbnb or anywhere that you're going with you in your bags, and wherever you go, you can open it and just right away stick it in the microwave and eat it. And you can just buy some bread from the grocery store, so that way you have ready to eat meals without spending a lot of money in the restaurant. And the fact that it does not need to be frozen, you can keep it anywhere. It could last for a year. So yeah, that way it's really good. And let's face it, what can you expect for $2.50? So I guess it's not bad if you eat in a restaurant nowadays. Even McDonald's is like $10, so just so ridiculous. Once I bought this 4 of the fish fillet sandwich, I was so shocked. It was $36 for 4 fish fillet sandwich. I didn't believe for a while that was these restaurants which used to serve like $1 or 2 fish fillet sandwich. So I guess looking at that, these are really good meals, ready to eat meals, and all you need to do is have some rice or bread on the side. And they also sell those bread and rice ready to eat. So yeah, I'll give it a go. And so this was my honest unpaid review. All my reviews are honest and unpaid, because I don't believe you can do a review while you're paid or send the product. You need to buy the product yourself, you need to use it, and you need to give your honest review, and that's called review. Not somebody sent you a product, somebody sent you a bunch of money, then you can't be honest, right? So yeah, it's good. It's not good to eat daily. I would say it's good when you're going somewhere and you need to eat it. And I wouldn't go to a restaurant and spend a whole bunch of money unless you have lots of money laying around, which I don't. So it's good. If you're going somewhere, it's really good one. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I will see you with many more reviews. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.